perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord. Perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord. This perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. Bisects the chord means this AB is divided into two equal parts, AC and BC. Did you get it? This is our to prove. Now here in this theorem, first we write here given. What is given? See here. In a circle with center O, in a circle with center O, segment OC perpendicular chord, what is AB, perpendicular chord AB. This is our given. Then to prove. What is to prove? This perpendicular divides segment AB into two equal parts. Segment AC congruent segment BC. AC BC. Did you get it? Then proof. Here we join OA and OB. Join segment OA and segment OB. Did you get it? Therefore, in triangle AOC and triangle BOC, 8th standard, you also see this. In this triangle AOC and BOC, AOC and triangle BOC, Didi, angle ACO, very good. Congruent angle BCO is 90 degree or from given segment OC perpendicular chord or segment AB. Did you get it? Then next, Didi, very good, segment OC congruent to segment OC, very good, common side. Did you get it? Then Didi, very good, segment OA congruent segment OB. What is the reason? Very good, radii of same circle. Radii of same circle are always congruent. Now see here, 1, 2 and 3, 3 parts are congruent. Therefore, we want minimum 3. Okay, to prove that any given two triangles are congruent by any test. Therefore, triangle AOC congruent triangle BOC by, see here, OC congruent segment OC, segment OC, segment OC. Okay. Then OA congruent OB. These are in triangle AOC. This is hypotenuse. This is right angle, and this is segment. No, side making right angle. This and this also, but we have shown here this segment OC congruent segment OC because common. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test of congruency. Did you get it? Now, if these two triangles are congruent by any two tests, then remaining three parts are congruent. We have written earlier in 8th standard. No? Then we want only one, but three remaining parts are congruent. Which is first? That is our 2 proof. Segment AC congruent segment BC. We write here region corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Did you get it? Bold. See here, line segment joining the center of the circle and midpoint of the chord. So AC is equal to BC. Did you get it? Joining the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Is perpendicular to the chord means show that or prove that this OC perpendicular chord AB. Did you get it? Now see this. Given in circle with center O, segment AB is a chord. AB is a chord and point C is the midpoint of it. Did you get it? C is the midpoint of the chord AB. Then what do we write? Did it? Segment AC congruent segment BC. This is our given. Very, very important. Now, to prove. What is our to prove? Segment OC perpendicular chord AB. Did you get it? When we show that OC perpendicular AB, then what do we show here? What do we show here? When we show that OC perpendicular AB, then what do we show or prove? Anybody? Very good. Angle ACO or BCO, angle BCO. Any one must be right angle. Did you get it? Now, proof. See here, proof. Draw, or we write join. Draw segment OA and segment OB. Okay, this is our beginning of our proof. Now, same way in triangle AOC and triangle BOC. In these two triangles, first start from given, no, segment AC, congruent segment. What is BC? This is our given. Very simple. Then next. Didi. Segment OC. Congruent segment OC. This is common side. Did you get it? Then next.
Segment AO congruent segment BO.
Very good. Segment AO congruent segment BO. Radii of same circle. Did you get it? Therefore, these two triangles, which triangle AOC, congruent triangle BOC by S test. Okay, if these two triangles are congruent by any test, then we write remaining three parts are congruent, but we want here single pair. Didi? Okay. Array here segment. Three pairs are congruent, the remaining three pairs of angles. Angle ACO, congruent angle BCO, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Okay, now these are congruent here, but we write simply afterwards major angle ACO. Major angle ACO is equal to major angle BCO. This is our equation number 1. ACO, angle ACO is equal to major angle BCO. Did you get it? Remaining three parts are congruent, but we want only one pair. Now, major angle ACO plus major angle BCO is equal to 180 degree because linear pair angles. because these are forming linear pair. Did you get it? This is our equation number 2. Therefore, from equations 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, see here, we put value of ACO. Value of ACO, what is? BCO here, or major angle BCO. Value of this is ACO. Did you get it? Therefore, we put value of BCO, major angle BCO. What is ACO? Therefore, major angle ACO plus major angle ACO is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, to major angle ACO is equal to 180 degree. Did you get it? Now, here 2 multiplied, we take to the right side. Therefore, major angle ACO is equal to 180 degree upon 2. Therefore, major angle ACO is equal to 90 degree. Major angle ACO is equal to 90 degree. See here, and both these angles are congruent. Therefore, major angle BCO also 90 degree. If here 90, here 90, then we say that what is our to prove? OC segment, OC perpendicular chord or segment. Therefore, we write this our to prove segment OC perpendicular. What is your segment? AB. Did you get it? Very simple.